recently launched a flash sale of 70% off for all my existing customers, and I want to notify them within seconds and in real time. And do you think that I'm going to do this manually? No, I've simply set it up a broadcast campaign to notify all my customers about the new flash sale in just single minute. And in this video, I'll show you how you can also do this. So to do this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow, and it is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So if you watch our YouTube videos, this can get you a very heavy discount. Don't forget to check it out. But first, I'll suggest you go try it. If you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Okay, so now let's just go back towards our dashboard, and this is the most important window. You just have to log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and this window will appear. Over here, you have to make sure to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. It is very crucial to add your WhatsApp number. If you haven't added this till now, just make sure to add it today itself. If you want to learn how to add a WhatsApp number, the video tutorial for the same is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Otherwise, if you haven't added a WhatsApp number, you can also find the video tutorial directly on your screen when you come on the dashboard. You can check that out too. Once you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, come on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow and click on this add broadcast button. Once you do this, it is asking you to select the broadcast type. So select it as broadcast campaign. Now it is asking you to name your broadcast. So I'm going to name this broadcast as 70% off over here. You can keep the name according to your own choice. That is asking me to select the contact list. So over here, I have to create a contact list in order to select it, right? So in order to create the contact list, from the left hand of the side, you have to go on the contact section of Pabbly Chatflow, and from here you can create the contact list, add the contacts, and do much more. If you want to learn more about this contact section, just comment contact and I'll share you a video which is a detailed video on which you can learn about this contact section. Okay, so like this, I have already created my contact list, so I'm just going to select the list right over here. You can select multiple lists too, but I'm just going to choose only one list over here. Now it is saying refine audience, so this is optional. So what you can do is you can also exclude some list, exclude some contacts over here. You just have to choose it. So let's say I want to exclude some contacts, so I'm just going to choose the same right over here. Apart from that, you can also exclude the contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window. What you have to do for that, you just have to switch on this toggle button. I'm just going to switch it off only. Over here, it is asking to select the message type, if it will be a pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you go for a regular message, just click on this regular message, select the message type and enter the message over here. Once you enter this message, you can see the preview of the same on the right end of the site too. If you want to go for a pre-approved template message, go on the left end of the site towards this template and then template list. Over here, you're going to see all the lists. If you want, you can also go on this explore templates and explore the templates. You can choose the templates which you want for your own business and simply create that template for your own business. Apart from that, what you can do is you can go on this add template. You can generate it with AI or add your template yourself. And also, once you create the template, you have to wait till Meta approves the template. Once Meta approves your template, you are good to go and you can select the template right over here. I have already created the template, which is this, so I'm just going to choose it. But over here in this template, I've also attached a photo which is media. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to insert the image over here. In order to insert the image, go on this upload from media library, and over here in my library I already have this image. If you want to add a new image, just go on this add a new image and choose the image file from your PC, your computer. Okay, and over here, if you have already inserted the image image, just choose the image and click on this insert button, and the image will be inserted. Then click on this done. Once you click on this done, you are good to go. It is asking for the username and the phone number. So why is it asking for this? So before sending this message to multiple customers or clients at once, you can test it. What you have to do is you just have to enter the username and the mobile number to test this broadcast, if the message is going correct or not. You have to enter these details, click on this send test message. Let me check the test message, and you're going to see this is the new message which I have received, and it looks perfectly fine. I can share it with all my customers. Okay, so to do this, I have two options. I can schedule the broadcast for later or send it instantly. So if I wish to schedule this for later, I can go on this yes schedule for later, choose date and time from this calendar and schedule this. And now if I want to send instantly, I can go on this no send instantly and then add broadcast button, and this is going to be sent instantly. So now you can see the broadcast is showing in this live section. Once it is sent, it will be shown in the sent section. And after this broadcast is sent, you can view the stats of the broadcast too. How many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored or failed. And apart from that, if you schedule this broadcast, you can check it out right over here in the scheduled section too. Okay, so like this, we have successfully learned the smart way of bulk WhatsApp messaging. So go and try this amazing automation yourself. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, directly comment on this video. If you want to learn how to create a template, you can comment template, and if you want to learn how to create contact list, you can comment contacts, and I'll just share you the detailed tutorial videos for the same. See you in the next video with many more automation tips. Don't forget that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.